In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove email account from Mozilla Thunderbird. If you're cleaning up old addresses, consolidating inboxes, or troubleshooting a misconfigured profile, removing an account is a quick way to tidy things up. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what you'll see so nothing is confusing along the way. First, go to Thunderbird. Open the application and make sure you're in the Mail view, where you can see your accounts listed in the left-hand sidebar. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to identify the one you actually want to remove. It's easy to click the wrong one when names are similar, so a quick double check here saves headaches later. Next, right-click on the email account you want to remove. In the folder pane on the left, right-click directly on the account name at the top of its section, not on one of its folders like Inbox or Sent. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same, and on some keyboards you can hold Control and click to bring up the context menu. From that menu, click on Settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as Settings or Account Settings. Either option brings you to the same place, the Account Settings window for that specific email account. This is where Thunderbird keeps all the configuration details, and it's also where the removal option lives. Now, click on Delete. In the Account Settings window, make sure the correct account is selected in the left panel. Look toward the bottom area of the window for an option labeled Delete, Remove, or a small Account Actions menu that contains Remove. The label can vary slightly by version, but it's always in this section. Clicking Delete prepares Thunderbird to remove the account from your profile. Finally, click on Remove to confirm. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you meant to do this. Read the message so you understand what's being removed from your computer. Removing an account deletes its settings and any local-only data, but it doesn't erase messages from your email provider's server. After you confirm by clicking Remove, the account will disappear from the left sidebar along with its folders. That's your sign the process is complete. At this point, your Thunderbird workspace should look cleaner and your remaining accounts will function normally. If you ever need that account again, you can add it back later using the standard Add Mail account flow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove an email account from Mozilla Thunderbird with confidence.